Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start immediately by protecting yourself and the area: gloves, glasses, and a cloth under the nail. Next, apply penetrating oil to the nail head and let it soak for 5 to 10 minutes so rust releases. This makes extraction smoother. Then place the claw hammer or pry bar teeth under the nail head and set the fulcrum pad against the wall close to the nail. Once set, pull with steady pressure, rocking slightly to raise the nail. Keep control to avoid plaster damage. Once the head is partially raised, make sure to protect the wall by placing a small wood block under your tool as a secondary fulcrum. This spreads force and prevents dents. If the shaft resists, tap the exposed bit gently with a hammer to break corrosion bonds, then reapply oil if needed. When about half the nail is out, clamp it with locking pliers for secure grip. Then pull straight back while twisting slightly to free stubborn threads. Keep movements deliberate to minimize wall damage. You finish by addressing the hole. Press spackle into the void, let it dry, sand smooth, and paint to match. That restores the surface. If the nail head breaks off, make a small slot and use an easy out or screw into the stub to pull it. Alternatively, drill a perimeter and remove remaining metal. If you crack plaster, stop and apply mesh tape and joint compound in layers, letting each layer set. This prevents further damage and yields a clean repair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.